Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet this rose flower. For this crochet hat, I will put the link for this crochet hat tutorial in the description box. So if you want to see how to crochet this hat, you can find the cap tutorial as well. So now jump into the tutorial for rose flower. I am using a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook and a baby soft acrylic yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making the slip knot, make your base chain. I am going to make 50 base chain for my project. You can make any number of base chain according to the desired size of flower you want. So after completing the base chain, wrap the yarn, go into the 5th chain from the hook and pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make your first double crochet stitch, and then make chain 4 again. Wrap the yarn, go into the same chain, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make your second double crochet stitch. So this is our V-stitch pattern basically. Now again wrap the yarn, skip 3 chains, go into the 4th chain and make a double crochet stitch by repeating the same pattern of double crochet, and then make chain 4 again. After making chain 4, wrap the yarn, go into the same chain again and make double crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn, skip 3 chains, go into the 4th chain and make double crochet stitch. Then make chain 4 and a double crochet stitch into the same chain. So by repeating the same pattern, complete these V stitches. So after completing into this last chain, make a double crochet stitch to finish your first row and then turn your work and make chain 3 to start your second row. Now we are going to make petals for our flower. So go into this chain 4 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and then pull these stitches to make a space, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9 and double crochet 10. So this is our first petal. Make 10 double crochet stitches. Now between the space of these 2 double crochet stitches, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch to finish your first petal. Now to start your second petal, go into the second chain 4 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, and double crochet 10. So after completing 10 double crochet stitches again, for the second petal, go into the space between your double crochet stitches and make a single crochet stitch. Now repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. So after completing our last petal, go into the top of chain 3 and make a double crochet stitch. To finish your work as we have done, chain 3 in the start, make a double crochet stitch and then make chain 1 and cut a long yarn tail to weave your flower, and then pull the yarn. So from this starting point we are going to roll our flower gently. So simply roll this flower like this. And now we are going to join this flower with the help of this yarn tail. You can see the starting chain rolling, and then first of all join this last petal to this petal, and then join this base chain with the help of this yarn as you can see in the video. So simply with the help of few stitches like this, join your flower gently. Don't make it too tight or too loose. Join this flower base chain gently like this. Take few stitches from here and there and weave all the flower. So now you can see how I am weaving all the chain loops or base chain together. Later on we can use this starting and ending yarn tail to weave this flower to our cap. So this is the whole look of this rose flower. It's very simple and easy to make, so must try it. For different crochet projects, like, share and subscribe.